Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going back to the basics and I'll be showing you how to add outlines or what Photoshop calls strokes to your text, shapes or any other layer. It's a simple technique, but it's one of the building blocks of great design. If you're just starting out with Photoshop, mastering outlines will help you give your work that clean professional look. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is choose the layer we want to add an outline to. In my case, I've created a text layer here, but this can work with any layer, text, shapes, even images. Make sure the layer is selected in the Layers panel so that Photoshop knows where to apply the changes. With your layer selected, right-click on it. From the menu that pops up, select Blending Options. This will open up a new window where we can add different styles and effects to our layer. Blending option can seem overwhelming at first because there are a lot of settings. But don't worry, today we're just focusing on one simple but powerful tool, the stroke. In the left hand list inside blending option, look for the one called stroke. Check the box next to it and click on the word stroke itself to open the settings. You'll notice that as soon as you check it, Photoshop automatically applies a basic black outline around your layer, but we can do a lot more to customize it. First up, you can change the size of the outline using the size slider. Make it thinner for a subtle effect or thicker for a bold dramatic outline. It's totally up to you. Next, let's talk about position. You can place your stroke either on the inside of your layer or the outside of your layer. Choosing inside means the stroke will cut into your shape a little, while outside placing it just around the edges. Personally, for text and logos, I usually go with outside. It tends to look a little bit cleaner and more readable. Now, if you want to change the color of the outline, just click on the color box right here. You can pick any color you want, from a simple white to black to something vibrant to match your design. But if you want to get a little fancy, you can switch from a solid color to a gradient. With the gradient, the stroke will blend from one color to another, giving you a more dynamic and interesting outline. And if you're using gradient stroke, you might want to control the direction the color moves in. That's where the angle setting comes in. You can rotate the angle to change how the gradient flows around your shape or text. It's a small tweak, but can make a big difference in how your design feels. And that's all there is to it. Adding an outline in Photoshop is super easy once you know where to find the tools, and now you can customize your designs with clean borders, colorful gradients or bold effects. If you're a beginner, mastering little tricks like this will make your work look so much more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and leave a like, it really helps my channel grow, and if you want more beginner-friendly Photoshop tips, make sure to subscribe and turn on notification because there's a lot more coming to you. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.